In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add another email on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna navigate to your Gmail app. In my case, it's right here. So I'm gonna click on it. So once your app is open and you wanna add another account, so first thing you have to do is click on your profile picture on the top right corner. So there's my profile picture. I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so once I've clicked on the profile picture, I can scroll down until I see this option of add another account. So I'm going to click add another account. So once that is done, many options are going to open. So the first one's Google, iCloud, Outlook, and etc. So you can click on Google because that's the account we're setting up. So I'm going to click Google now. You're going to click continue. And it's going to redirect you to a web page where you'll have to enter your credentials. So I'm gonna wait for it to open. Alright, so once it's open, it's gonna show you a page similar to this one. So as you guys can see, you'll have to sign in now. So you'll have to put your email or phone number. So in my case, I have an email. So I'm gonna put in the email, kidreacts150@gmail.com. Then I can click next. So once that is done, you'll have to enter your password. So you're gonna enter your password, and then if you have a verification, it's gonna say you to verify your account. So once you have verified, then you can go back to, it's gonna redirect you back to your Gmail app. So I'm gonna cancel. It's gonna redirect you back to your Gmail app, and it's gonna log in onto your new account. In my case, my account is already logged in. So there's Kids React. So I can just click on it, and there's Kids React right there. In your case, whenever you log in, it's going to redirect you back to Gmail, and it's going to open the new account which you just logged in on. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.